foodies, ready to take a flavorful trip around the world without even leaving your kitchen? Today we're diving into 5 soul-soothing comfort foods that'll warm your heart and satisfy every craving. These are the cozy classics that feel like a hug from the inside, rich in flavor, easy to make, and loved across cultures. I'll guide you step by step through each recipe with my personal tips so you can recreate that comfort in your own kitchen. But before we begin, tell me in the comments, where are you watching this video from? Now grab your apron and let's get cooking. First up, we're tackling an absolute giant of American comfort food, chicken and dumplings. This dish has been a staple in many households for generations, bringing families together around the dinner table. We begin by searing juicy chicken thighs in a pot with a little butter and oil, then tossing in chopped onions, sliced carrots, celery, and minced garlic to build that rich homemade flavor. Next, pour in about 4 cups of chicken broth and season with salt, pepper, and thyme. Let it simmer for 20-25 minutes until the chicken is tender and the veggies are soft. You can use leftover roast chicken or poach some chicken thighs for tender meat and a lovely base for your broth. Both methods work wonderfully and add their own unique touch to the dish. And for the broth, whether homemade or store-bought, make sure it's rich and well seasoned. A good broth is the backbone of this dish, providing depth and warmth. Shred the chicken right in the pot and add a splash of cream for that extra cozy, velvety texture. Now let's make those soft, fluffy dumplings, the real stars of the dish. In a bowl, mix 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Then add 2 tablespoons of cold butter and use a fork or your fingers to mix it in until the mixture looks crumbly, kind of like breadcrumbs. Slowly pour in 1/2 cup of milk and stir gently just until a soft, sticky dough forms. Don't overmix. Once your chicken stew is bubbling, use a spoon to drop small dollops of the dough right on top of the stew. Cover the pot and let them cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. This allows the dumplings to steam and puff up beautifully. The steam will cook them through and make them super light and pillowy. You'll know they're ready when they're puffed up and a skewer inserted into the center comes out clean. This ensures they're cooked through and fluffy. When they're done, you'll have the most comforting bowl of creamy chicken and dumplings ever. A sprinkle of freshly chopped parsley or chives on top adds a nice touch of freshness and color. It's the perfect finishing touch. It's a classic for a reason, and I guarantee it'll become a firm favorite in your home. Delicious. There's nothing quite like it. Next up, we're heading into a world of vibrant spices and creamy textures with Chicken Tikka Masala. The secret to a brilliant Chicken Tikka Masala starts with the marinade. Start by marinating 500 g of boneless chicken in 1/2 cup yogurt, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric, and 1 teaspoon garam masala. Let it sit for at least 30 minutes, then grill or pan fry until golden and cooked through. For the masala, sauté 1 chopped onion in butter. Add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, then stir in 2 teaspoons cumin, 1 teaspoon paprika, and 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Pour in 1 cup tomato puree, cook it down, and then add 1/2 cup cream and the cooked chicken. Simmer for 10 minutes until thick and creamy. Serve with naan or rice, and you've got a restaurant-style meal full of flavor and comfort. A sprinkle of freshly chopped cilantro adds a burst of freshness. So there you have it, a stunning homemade Chicken Tikka Masala. It's creamy, mildly spiced, and incredibly delicious. Give this one a go, you won't be disappointed. Next on our comfort food journey, we're diving into a steaming, fragrant bowl of Vietnamese pho. The star of any good pho is the broth, made with beef bones simmered for hours. Start by simmering 1 kilogram beef bones with 1 onion, halved and charred, and a 3-inch piece of ginger, charred in 8 cups of water. Skim off any foam. Add 1 cinnamon stick, 4 cloves, 2 star anise, 1 tablespoon coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon fish sauce, and a bit of salt. Let it simmer gently for 4 or 5 hours for deep flavor. Strain the broth and keep it hot. In a separate bowl, soak 200 g rice noodles in hot water until soft, then drain. Now assemble. In a bowl, layer noodles, thinly sliced beef like sirloin, and fresh toppings like bean sprouts, Thai basil, lime wedges, green onions, and chili slices. Pour hot broth over the top. And just like that, you've got a soulful, aromatic bowl of pho ready to warm your heart. The ritual of eating pho is just as important as its preparation. Add garnishes, squeeze in lime juice, and enjoy the explosion of flavors. Making pho at home might take time, but the reward is a truly authentic and deeply satisfying meal. Let's get into something seriously hearty and satisfying, a big, bold bowl of chili. Ground beef is the classic choice, but ground turkey or plant-based mince works too. Start by browning 500 g ground beef in a pot with 1 chopped onion and 2 minced cloves garlic. Once it's cooked through, add 1 can of diced tomatoes, 1 can of drained red kidney beans, 2 tablespoons tomato paste, and 1 cup beef broth. Adding canned tomatoes give chili the rich, saucy backbone. Now season it all with 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1/2 teaspoon paprika, salt and pepper to taste. Let it simmer uncovered for about 30-40 minutes, stirring occasionally until thick and flavorful. Top it off with shredded cheese, sour cream, and green onions and pickled jalapenos, and you've got the ultimate comfort food that's spicy, smoky, and totally delicious. Serve with cornbread for the full chili experience. Chili is even better the next day and freezes beautifully. It's a true one-pot wonder, perfect for feeding a crowd or a cozy night in. Last, but by no means least, on our global comfort food tour, we're heading to Italy for spaghetti carbonara. Cook 200 g of spaghetti in well-salted boiling water until al dente. Reserve some pasta water. While that cooks, mix 2 large eggs with 1/2 cup grated Parmesan cheese, a pinch of salt, and plenty of black pepper in a bowl. In a pan, cook 100 g of diced beef bacon or turkey strips, or traditional pancetta if you prefer, until crisp. Now drain the pasta, but don't rinse it, and quickly toss it into the pan with the bacon. Remove from heat, then immediately pour in the egg and cheese mixture, stirring fast so the eggs turn creamy, not scrambled. Add reserved pasta water if needed for the perfect consistency. And that's it, rich, silky, and comforting with every bite. Serve immediately with more grated cheese and black pepper. Carbonara waits for no one. Eat it while it's hot. The beauty of carbonara lies in its simplicity. With just a handful of good quality ingredients, you can create a dish that is truly spectacular. And that's a wrap! We've just traveled through some of the coziest, most comforting dishes from around the world. I hope this video sparked a little inspiration and reminded you how joyful cooking can be. Whether you're trying something new or making an old favorite, there's nothing like the comfort of a homemade dish. So which one are you trying first? Are you going for that creamy pasta, that spicy stew, or that soulful noodle soup? Each dish has its own unique charm and flavor. Let me know in the comments. I'm always eager to hear your thoughts and experiences. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and show your support. Subscribe for more delicious recipes, and join our growing community of food lovers. And hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our next culinary journey. Stay updated with all our latest videos. I'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking, everyone!